Just like having a high-quality shampoo is important for a proper and safe car wash, so too is having a high-quality wash mitt. The best car wash mitt are used to transfer car wash soap suds to the paintwork while the sponge wicks dirt away and traps it, leaving behind a squeaky clean clear coat surface primed for wax. 1. Adams Polish's Microfiber Dual Wash Mitt with a unique 5-finger glove design. You'll be able to scrub every nook and cranny of your vehicle with Adams' updated wash mitt. Plus, deep microfiber piling ensures the mitt effectively traps dirt and keeps it away from your paint. Like many other glove-type mitts, the fitment is universal, so you can use it whether you're left or right-handed. There's also an elastic cuff to keep the mitt secure, so those with smaller hands can clean worry-free. 2. Armor All Noodle Mitt. What I liked about their offering is that it is a chenille noodle microfiber wash mitt on one side, but on the other it provides a more resilient mesh than that found on the Meguiar's lambswool mitt. The mesh side is also great for removing stubborn markings on the glass work. Again, using the wash mitt in a slow and safe manner will severely limit the chances of causing any marring of scratches in the glass. The Armor All Wash Mitt feels great when on, and it does hold a load of suds, making it a great way to safely clean your car. It is also extremely resilient, and is a great option for anyone that wants to use a wash mitt as part of the alloy wheel cleaning regimen. 3. Detailer's Preference Eurow Microfiber Cleaning Glove. This one promises to make it easier for you to access hard-to-reach bits of your vehicle's bodywork. If you drive a modern vehicle with complex styling, we think this could be one of your best choices for a wash mitt. Where we see you getting the most use out of this mitt is in washing aluminum wheels, especially if they sport an intricate design with small crevices where brake dust and road salt can accumulate. If you already have an exterior wash mitt you swear by, then consider this one for dusting your vehicle's interior. Its individual fingers will make it easier to clean the slats of your car or truck's air vents or around dashboard buttons and knobs. 4. Meguiar's X3002 Microfiber Wash Mitt. Meguiar's Car Wash Mitt is made from microfiber that promises to be super absorbent and soft enough that it won't damage your car's shine. Meguiar's says its mitt's fine weave fabric will lift and trap the dirt it picks up and hold it away from your vehicle's paintwork to prevent the fine swirl marks that can ruin your car's finish. This mitt measures 8 inches by 10 inches for efficient washing, and has a snug cuff to help you maintain a good grip. It's also machine washable, but only with other microfiber items to avoid collecting lint in the mitt. 5. Scrubit 2-Pack Car Wash Mitt. Scrubit is our best value pick for this 2-pack of microfiber wash mitts. Colored bright orange, these mitts look like a pile of cheese-flavored snacks attached to a glove. However, we can assure you they are much softer than that. The deep pile noodles promise to absorb lots of soapy water and pull dirt and grit up and away from your vehicle's finish for a scratch-free wash. These are machine washable, as long as you wash and dry them on the gentle cycle and don't use fabric softener. 6. Relentless Drive Cyclone Car Wash Mitt 2-Pack. Relentless Drive uses thousands of fine microfiber strands, so you can expect this mitt to hold 7 times its weight in soapy water for efficient washing. And because this mitt claims to also be effective at dusting dry surfaces, you could reserve one mitt for removing dust from your vehicle interior's hard surfaces. This wash mitt measures 11 inches long by 8 inches wide. A wrist cuff works with an interior grip strap to help you keep a hold of this mitt when it's loaded with water. When you're done washing your vehicle, you can toss this mitt in your laundry to get it ready for the next wash. Relentless Drive recommends tumble drying the mitt on low heat to keep the microfiber strands soft and absorbent.